Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So I've got a quick review of the Coosolux Galaxy Solar Camp and Work Light. So this is a rechargeable light. Looks really cool. Let's get to the video. Let's check it out. Unboxing the Coosolux Galaxy Solar Camp and Work Light. Alright, so everything that comes with this unit, nice little carry bag with strap. You've got your tripod, your light, and your solar panel on the back here. Fully adjustable, 3 stakes. You've got a strap. You've got a USB-C charger, and you've got your owner manual. That's everything in the box. When charging, your green light's gonna flash while charging. When the green light is fully charged, it'll just stay green. To remove the smaller light, it's got some strong magnets holding it on there. So you just pull on it a little bit and it will pop right off. Just like that. So the small light also has one of these cool little hooks on there for utility. So if you're working on your vehicle or whatever, you can pop that hook out. Just hang it on your hood or whatever it is you're working on, or if you're camping, hang it on a tree branch. To reattach it, you'll notice there's 3 divots right here on the back of this unit. You just take it and line that right back up, and there you go, and it puts it right back on there, and those magnets will hold it all together. Now if you need to, you can also charge that smaller light separately while you've got the other bigger light charging off solar, so you can plug that other one in with your USB charger. This Galaxy Solar Camping and Work Light is currently made by a company called Coosolux. There's a link in the description, be sure and check it out, and it's running $119.99. On the bottom of the tripod or on the feet, you've got these holes or notches, and they did send you 3 spikes, which I love because sometimes it's super windy or whatever, especially if you're out camping. Put your spikes down through your holes, and that keeps your light from tipping over or blowing over. I like that. Let's get this thing set up. Loosen up your screw on the side, pop your legs out. Get it to the height you'd like it. Tighten up your screws. So tighten these guys up about where you want it. So loosen this up. This will raise your top piece up to where you need your height. Like if we're in a camping situation or working on a vehicle, I like enough light to see what's going on, what we're doing. Tighten your light up just a little bit so you can put your top piece on. And that should just drop in here. It's got some little springs basically. Just kind of wiggle that in. There it goes. You'll see those pop through the side. Now you can adjust your light. And there we go. We've got a light all set up. Alright you guys, I've got this out here charging for today. Alright, your little green flashing light is right there where your plug is. And that means that you are charging. So I'm going to turn the light on. We're going to go through the different cycles of it. Long press. So that's the dim right there. That's your medium brightness right there. Medium mode. Alright you guys, that's the brightest mode right there, and that is like blindingly bright. Hold off the little side light to do a quick demonstration. Long press to turn it on. Here's your dim mode, medium mode, bright mode, spotlight mode. Long press to turn it off. So just in the interest of time, I'm not going to go over all the positives of this work light, and there literally are no negatives to this. It's rock solid, it's got a great stand, it's foldable, it's got its own carrying case, it's rechargeable both through solar and through a USB cable. It's also waterproof and makes a great gift as well. Put one of these in your trunk. If your buddy breaks down somewhere, you go over, pull out your own work light, and off you go. You can help them out. If you're up camping, up in the mountains, hunting, fishing, whatever you're doing, you've got your own instant work light. You've got the detachable light. You can hang it off a hood, off a tree branch, in your tent, whatever. This thing is very useful, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. I'm going to recommend it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll go from there. This has been Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure and give me a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And I'll catch you guys later.